What's up, everybody? Friends and family. Market up or down? We were down today, pretty good size move here. Pulling up the mobile phone here, we're going to catch up on the spreadsheet. You can see we had a lot of orders still. For big picture, we are down from the highs, still sideways move, but we're down from the highs. We still have a lot of cash, so over 50% in cash, and ready to execute the strategy. So it looks like today only buy orders filled. So we'll just double check the spreadsheet to make sure we have the correct information. And we start with Jeff, 44.19. So we got a good fill here. Beauty of a limit order is you can always get a better fill. AEO 1930, got a good one there too. ADT, total price was 26.64. Nice there as well. APAM 38.14. Few pennies there. Penny saved, penny earned, all that jazz. ELV 286.48 check. Whirlpool 61.23 check. And Penny Mac 88.53 check. All right, so we've got all that done. What is the next step of the trading plan? Market is down. We need to look at the screener and buy these in order from smallest equity position to largest equity position until we are out of cash. And having a strict setup like this is very important because you will run out of money. That's just mathematics, okay? So it's very important that you know what to buy, when to buy, exactly what price to buy, and exactly what price to sell. And if you have all those things in your trading plan, trading's pretty easy. We've got dividends, low debt, PEs are under 15. We add them up, divide by 2, the PE and the forward PE. 1846. I'm not freaked out. Just executing the plan. We're not even all in yet. There are some options here on the screener, APAM and ADT. Good PEs, good dividends, low debt, 37.34. Very simple. I guess I actually have to put the order into. All right, so we got AEO. Is there a button off of this? It says buy more. Add to position. See, I'm learning. Learning too. So American Eagle 1846. Limit order, good till cancel, extended hours. And the next one was APAM. Look at this. Old dog, new tricks. 37.34. Remember, just limit order, good till cancel, extended hours. But remember, each position I'm trying to keep around 1% of the total account without using partial shares. Because I want to be able to do a limit sell order. Got ADT and Jeff. We freeze them up. ADT. Nice PEs, nice dividends, high debt, but it's under our limits, 655. So we have $2,600. So 26 divided by 655, I believe, is what it said. Yep. So it's 3.9. So I'm going to take 3 shares. So 655 times 3, easy, 1965. And we're getting it done. Still have plenty of cash. Jeff and old Penny. See how Jeff's doing today. Nice PEs, good dividends, really high debt, but under 4, 38.29. If you do not continue to buy the stocks you already have, your math advantage really goes down the tubes, and it will take, they may still fill, but it will take so much more time, and time is the most valuable commodity there is. So this is the strategy I use. Hopefully it's helpful to you. So you got to make your own strategy. Remember, this is not financial advice. I'm not telling you what to do, but this is me. I just got done working a shift at a factory. I destroy the markets yearly, and this is how I do it. Let's see if we got Penny here. Yep, everything's good. 86.20. I'm going to go a little faster now. Some of these stocks went down pretty big, but that's why you don't go way too big on your initial purchase. So in a strong bull market, people may look at the strategy and think, well, I'll just buy 5% or 10% or whatever, or put the whole account in. And those are lessons that are painful that you will have to learn. So when the stock continues to go down and you're out of money, what do? And if you want to live off your investments, which I do, you can't add money. So the account has to be able to stand on its own, right? So that's the way I have mine set up. SLM or Whirlpool. Going to page 2. Haven't seen 2 pages in a while. There's SLM. Everything looks good here. 1909. Nice and easy. So if you're still here, hit the thumbs up button. Make sure you're subscribed and share this with the maybes. I'm going to ride this on out. And at the end of the video, we'll take a look big picture at the weekly chart. I like to do that every week. And I'll kind of tell you what I'm seeing here. Yep, everything's still in check here. 58.76. Limit order good till cancel, extended hours. NOG, H&R Block. H&R Block's not on here. NOG's not on here. We have SM and ELV. No SM. No ELV. So let's get a sell price for this one. 286.48 times 1.01. Pause the video, do that math for yourself. And look, it's in profits. This is at a sell target. So when the stock market goes down, not everything goes down with it. You'll see sector rotations and all kinds of cool stuff. But if you don't have your sell order in, you cannot sell it. So you got to have the right orders in. Limit order, good till cancel, extended hours. But then it kind of runs itself and you don't have to do much. All right, so we've got all of these ready to roll. We still have $1,200. So roughly a third of the account. And we need to go to the next step of the trading plan, which is what? Is yours written down? Do you have one? Next one for me is universe of stocks. So we'll go through here and look for universe of stocks. Nothing here. Nothing here. So that should tell you it's not a deep correction yet. And we'll keep it moving. Got American Express here. PEs are too high. Remember, when you go through the list, now we're going through alphabetical. When you go through the list, you're looking for a reason to not take the trade. This is good. PEs, dividends, debt. That's all I'm looking at. 1711. And we'll be able to stay on this screen and just type and punch them in. And I don't know if we'll be all in even after this one, which is really nice to see the account grow to such a size so that can properly do the system. Obviously, I do it with more zeros in my main account, but the principles are the same. And if you can do 1 share, you can do 1,000 shares. The orders are the same, just different numbers. I bought all these in my, we did CMC, didn't we? I lose my mind. Oh, we couldn't get it in this brokerage. I knew there was something with that. But I did all my purchases on my first break at work. I look like a crazy person over there buying stocks, writing prices on a napkin, but that's what I do. That's exactly what I do. Look at this debt. Way too high for me. But you got to do more to have more. So you can't worry about what other people think or whatever. Just push. Nice PEs, nice dividends, no debt. 907 EMBC. A little tired. Work 6 days this week. So a little quiet. I'm not going to sing to you or nothing. 29. This one barely fits. Dividend, debt, 45.68. Cap. Everything looks good here. 23.28. Looks like we got plenty of money. Houlihan. PEs are too high. Jeff, we already did. Lennar. Looks good to me. Very low debt. I like seeing that. Remember, debt is risk. Yeah, we still got $1,000. Very nice. The game gets so much easier once you get a little bit of money. Moelis. PEs are too high. OLED. PEs are too high. PPG. PEs in range. Dividends. Low debt. 106.70. We're getting there. We're about done. It's nice, even though the videos take a little longer, it's nice to have some activity. Rhythm. Got a debt problem, but it's a REIT, mortgage REIT. That's not out of the normal for that kind of a business. I just stay consistent with my trading plan. PEs are too high here. Got Thor. PEs are too high, just barely. Wait for that thing to come down. We trade that thing over and over and over again. Wall looks good. 73.91. And we have one or two more to figure out, and that will be it. We'll take a look at the weekly chart. We did one. We've got the Yeti here, and PEs are too high. So as we look at the S&P 500, you can see we're still in this channel, right? It broke this support kind of, but remember, support is an area, right? It's not an exact price. and you've got this guy hanging around. So we're good here. So we go to the weekly chart. You can see this is the one I'm really looking at. And next week's close is going to be very interested. This is a swing trade setup for me, but I'm not short, full disclosure, but considering it. But if you look big picture for the year, the stock market is down 1.4% for the year. We're up about 5%. So that's how you kill the markets. Stay tuned for statement videos, probably tomorrow or Sunday. I think we have the statements. I just got to get the video out. And I'm curious to update the spreadsheet and see how we did as well. But I hope you're doing well. If you are, let me know down below in the comments. Thank you for watching. Remember, again, this is not financial advice. Make your own decisions. You can lose money if you don't have a plan that works or the ability to follow it. But it's possible for average people to do really well in stocks. And it's not as difficult as some people think. So hopefully it's helpful to you, or maybe just a little entertaining. Have a great weekend. See you tomorrow.